Come on, put them together tonight.
Good day, everyone. We are the Math Rangers.
Hi everyone!
I'm Arlen. I'm Wendy. I'm Jory.
The importance of Cartesian coordinate plane and its different uses.
Our objectives for today's discussion is number 1, illustrate the rectangular coordinate system and its uses. Number 2, determines the coordinates of each point in the Cartesian plane. And lastly, number 3, identify the quadrants in the Cartesian plane. What is rectangular coordinate system? A rectangular coordinate system is a coordinate system that specifies each point uniquely in a plane by a set of numerical coordinates, which are the assigned distances to the point from two fixed perpendicular oriented lines measured in the same unit of length.
What is Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane are two-dimensional plane which is divided by an axis and four regions that we call quadrant. The quadrant 1, 2, the quadrant 3, and the quadrant 4. The horizontal line is called x-axis. Those coordinate is x, 0. X-axis is divided into two axes, the positive x-axis and the negative x-axis. The vertical line is called y-axis. Those coordinate is y, 0. Y-axis is also divided into two axes, the positive y-axis and the negative y-axis. So, how to name a point in the Cartesian plane? We use an ordered pair. The two-ordered pair is written by x, y. Then, the x is also known abscissa and y is also known the coordinate.
Let's have an example. In which quadrant did 3, 2 located in Cartesian plane? So to answer this, your goal is to find first or locate the point. But how are we going to locate the point? So the first thing that you can do is determine the coordinates. Remember that the x is the first coordinate and the y is the second coordinate. So in our example, what is our first coordinate? Very good! 3. How about the second coordinate? Very good! 2. So our point is 3, 2. Okay, next. From the origin, so this is our starting point, I will move 3 units to the right, since x is equals to 3. So 1, 2, 3. So from where I left, I will move 2 units above the x-axis, since y is equals to 2. So 1, 2. Okay, now, our point 3, 2 is located at quadrant. You're right! Located in quadrant 1. Let's generalize. Cartesian coordinate plane is divided into 4 regions. The quadrant 1, the quadrant 2, the quadrant 3, the quadrant 4. By describing the sign of the coordinates in the point, in quadrant 1, the x-coordinate is positive and the y-coordinate is also positive. In quadrant 2, the x-coordinate is negative and the y-coordinate is positive. In quadrant 3, the x and y coordinates are both negative. And in quadrant 4, the x-coordinate is positive and the y-coordinate is negative. So to locate a point, the first thing that you can do is determine the coordinates and always start at the origin and then move according to the sign of the x and y coordinate. If your x coordinate is positive, always move to the right of the origin. And if your x coordinate is negative, always move to the left of the origin. So in y coordinate, if your y coordinate is positive, always move above the origin. And if your y coordinate is negative, always move below the origin.
So, now, how can the rectangular coordinate system be used in real life? So, it starts our first activity. Find the coordinates of 3 historical places that found in the Cartesian plane. It's great! So now, let's proceed to our next activity. The instructions of our last activity: identify the quadrant of each place located in the Cartesian plane. Question number 1. In what quadrant located the Los Angeles area?
3, 2, 1.
Very good! The Los Angeles area is located at quadrant 2. Next question is, in what quadrant located the Candywood Country Club?
3, 2, 1.
Very good! The Candywood Country Club is located at quadrant 4. And the last question is, in what quadrant located the Chester, Washington Golf Course?
3, 2, 1.
It's great! The Chester, Washington Golf Course was located at quadrant 3. The Math Rangers hoping that you learned more on this video. Thank you for watching.